Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering and connecting the tracker. This is where action begins. Insert the SIM or enable the eSIM, then charge to at least 50% so the first fix completes. Once done, power on and open the companion app, pair by Bluetooth or scan the QR code to register device and record the IMEI. Make sure to set the correct APN so data flows. You do this now because a clean first connection prevents location drift and false alarms later. Now mount and configure for reliable tracking. Position the tracker where it has partial sky view, under the seat or inside a frame tube, and secure it to avoid rattling. Once mounted, open Settings. Choose an update interval like 10 seconds for live monitoring or 60 seconds to extend battery life, and create a geofence around your parking area. Enable motion detection and tamper alerts so you get instant notifications. This protects against theft. Also set low battery warnings, because you do not want surprise power loss. Finish with a real-world check. Write a short route and watch the live path in the app, observing accuracy and update timing. Once satisfied, monitor battery drain for 24 hours to confirm your chosen settings balance responsiveness and runtime. If something goes wrong, first verify APN and SIM credit, then check antenna orientation and airflow around the unit. Reboot the tracker before deeper troubleshooting. This single tip, reboot after verifying network, resolves most no-fix or no-data issues quickly and safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.